Welcome to this Martin & Co video tour of this beautifully presented 3-bedroom end of terrace property situated within the heart of Westbury. This home comes to the market in immaculate condition with a large living room, separate dining room, modern kitchen and bathroom, 3 good sized bedrooms and enclosed rear garden. Let's go and have a look around together today. I hope you've enjoyed looking around this lovely home. For more information or to book a viewing, please call us today.